Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Chefman electric egg cooker. Perfectly cooked eggs any way you want them. You can do boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, or poached. Eggs in minutes. Now let's unbox it. So what you get in the box itself is the booklet as usual. You don't need the booklets. Then in the package itself, it comes with the cover for the egg tray, the measuring cup, also the egg tray holder. We have the omelette tray and the poach tray, and you have the base and the egg tray. Now let's see how it looks with some egg. Alright, cool. So now let's cook some eggs. Alright, so I've been using the Chefman egg cooker for a couple weeks now. Here it is, the Chefman egg cooker. So I've been using it for a couple weeks now. I've always been a person who, eat egg in the morning, and I used to have to boil the egg the regular way and sit down and wonder when the egg is gonna finish. You're like wondering when is it hard boiled. So I normally get hard boiled egg, as you saw earlier, and I usually wonder like, when is this egg gonna finish? When is this egg gonna finish? So I went on Amazon, found the Chefman egg cooker just under $15, very cheap, and this has revolutionized my egg cooking. No, I don't have to wonder when the egg finish, because as you can see, the Chefman give you an alert when the egg finish. Once you put the amount of water in the measuring cup, that if you want hard boil or medium or watery eggs, and once it finish, it basically give you an alert. Or I use this sometimes, as I say, I wake up early and I've been doing my automation. I've been creating this automated lifestyle, whereas I just have the Chefman plug-in. I would put in the eggs that I want in the morning overnight and set my automation to start the egg cooking at a certain time. So I wake up about 3:30, 4:30 in the morning. So I would just have the egg start like a little bit before I wake up, and the egg would be ready by the time I wake up, because everything would be set. And that is one of the things when it comes to electric items or electronics. You can use automation to control them. So just as though I can turn my fan on, my lights off, XYZ, I can use my automation to control it. So there's two ways automation works. Is either I can set a timer for it to start at a certain time, or in the morning when I wake up, I can say to my voice control device to start the egg. So I would just give a command and it starts the egg. Same way with my tea. Let's say, start kettle, and the kettle starts. So how the automation works for, I would call them dumb appliances that just plugs in and just press a button, is you need two things. You need a voice controller, whether it be a Google voice controller or an Amazon one, and you also need a smart plug. So what a smart plug allows you to do now is turn on these electronic devices. So for instance, you have a fan that you pull or just turn the dial. You can set it on whatever speed you want, plug it into your smart plug and you use the voice control to control the smart plug. So with the egg cooker, that's all I did. With my kettle, that's all I did. So I just plug it into the smart plug and I can tell my voice control device to turn on the smart plug. So once you tell the voice control to turn on the smart plug, it gives the smart plug power, which then gives the device power. And that's how the automation works. This just simplify the egg cooking for me, you know what I mean? Sometimes I even leave the house with it doing it. So I just sight it, leave the house, then come back. When I come back, the egg is ready. You know, you cannot do that with, you know what I mean, fire. You can't just leave the egg on the fire and come back, because you might come back and you realize you don't have an house. So as I said, this is a good purchase if you are interested in eggs, interested in making eggs, you know what I mean, even for your family, because as I can see, it can hold 6 eggs. I don't generally cook 6 eggs in the morning. I don't eat too much eggs in the morning, but it can hold 6 eggs. So for a family, this is a perfect Chefman cooker, or any one of the egg cookers is a perfect addition to your breakfast making or even food, because people use eggs for different things. And yeah, that's the unboxing and my review of the Chefman egg cooker. As I see, it's very simple. I use it for cook eggs, my girl uses it for cook omelette, and it's very simple. You just throw the water in it, put in the eggs. If you're doing boiled eggs, you just put in the eggs, leave it. Within 5 to 10 minutes, it's ready. For omelette, the same. You put in the omelette in omelette tray. You put in the eggs, you put in the seasoning or whatever you want to put in there, and then within 5 to 10 minutes, the omelette ready. So I believe that this was a good purchase as it relates to an home tech, and I've been enjoying it since. So as I say, maybe you can pick up one if you find it interesting. An Amazon link will be in the description that you can click on and go to Amazon and purchase it. This is a paid link, so it doesn't cost you anymore, but it gives the channel a commission. I would appreciate if you're trying to buy one, you would just click the link and make the purchase. As I said, it doesn't cost you anymore, but it gives the channel a commission. So check it out if you're interested. I am Shango, a creative from Jamaica. Blessings and guidance.